So you've gotten pre-qualified and just learned that you can buy a brand new home. You picked out the perfect location, the perfect structure, everything is great, but it has this on the property. What does that mean to us? Will a structure like that affect the home inspection? How about the appraisal? Does it have anything to do with the purchase price of the home? We'll answer those questions plus a lot more with our new home buyer and seller seminar coming up soon. Follow us for more details, and we look forward to seeing you there.